Hi everyone, welcome to another Scratch video update. I'm Rick Rose, also known as Rick Rose on Scratch.
And I am Eric, also known as Speak Visually on Scratch.
Welcome to
episode number 13. Lucky episode number 13.
And Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. It's been a while since the last update. I think we're overdue by a couple weeks, so sorry about that. But you have been busy since then.
Yes. Actually, before I jump in, where are we?
We're in the MIT Media Lab.
Ooh,
this is where we walk in every day.
There's also a Lego model of the Media Lab.
Super beautiful.
Yes, so we've been busy. And for me, I've been traveling to different parts of the world, one of which was Tokyo, Tokyo, Japan. And while I was there, I met Scratchers, Scratch teachers, researchers, developers, all working on Scratch. And I got to see some pretty cool projects and meet some new people. And we also worked on projects together.
I'm super jealous. I actually went home. I was back in Ohio. I was not in Tokyo. And I got a quadcopter, and I have no idea how to fly it. So if anyone has advice on how to fly these things, let me know, please. But with that, let's get to it. Our first segment.
Love it.
Love it. So the Love It section is projects that Rick Rose and I found in the community that we love, though we love all projects equally. So one project I want to talk about was, it's a project by Pixel, and it's called When I Photobomb People. And if you're not familiar with photobombing, it's just when someone walks in the back of your shot and the person doesn't know that it's happening. And I guess it happens quite often. But anyways, so they made a project where a skier comes by and photobombs their picture. It's hilarious. But then even cooler is there's over 600 remixes of people having different people photobomb them. So I really enjoyed that project.
So another project that I loved, and a bunch of us also loved it too, is this pillow fight made by Squig3. And you can join this project, and it's multiplayer. You can actually pillow fight with other people from anywhere in Scratch is using this project, and you fight with pillows.
Yes, it's crazy. It's using cloud variables for a real-time multiplayer game.
I think it's one of my favorite cloud variable projects.
I actually Emrez and I did a pillow fight, and I think he let me win. Anyways.
Who really wins in a pillow fight?
Everyone wins. So with that, those are the projects we love, but we have our other segment. You're holding it this time.
Try. Oops, sorry.
I usually hold it.
To try. We're mixing it up. It's
2016. So the things to try are just cool things that are happening in the community. I always mention the Scratch Design Studios. I always do, because there's always a new cool one. And in this case, we have the Happy New Year 2016 Scratch Design Studio, so you can share a project looking forward to 2016 and also reflecting back on the past year of 2015. So that's on the homepage. Feel free to add a project.
Another thing on the homepage to try out is one of the featured studios is the Scratch Parade.
Yes, Scratch Parade.
It's been pretty cool to see. People have been making different floats,
what is it?
Different rides. Oh, so it's this international event that a Scratcher created where they've been asking Scratchers to create different kind of floats and things to go into the parade.
Yep. So you add your own float. It's pretty awesome, and there's been over 12 different countries are represented in the Scratch Parade.
Awesome. I love the international aspect of it.
And that's in the featured studios
on the
row
homepage.
On the homepage, Scratch Parade. So with that, we have our message from the Scratch team.
Drum roll.
Drum roll. Oh, that echoes quite a bit.
New Scratch team members.
We have new Scratch team members. Who do we have?
Leafay the Goblin, who's you might have known who's already been a part of the community for some time.
Yes. And also we have someone who's new to the community, Pinkfoot123. Her name is Lily, and she's a college student. She's an artist, designer. And she has a really amazing project called Oh Dear. Which is a deer. Well, you should check it out. We'll link to it.
Yes. Welcome new members.
Feel free to welcome them. Yeah.
And then, actually, so we recently released a new feature in Scratch that's pretty awesome. And to tell you more about the feature, we thought we'd go right to the developer who helped create this project. Should we keep it a secret?
Okay, so you're going to meet Rachel, who helped us design this feature.
Cool.
Hey everyone, I am joined with Rachel, our special guest, to talk about a cool new feature that we have on Scratch. So Rachel, tell us a bit about yourself.
My name is Rachel. I'm an MIT student, and I'm a Scratcher. I've been scratching for years, and now I'm working with the Scratch team and studying computer science.
Cool. So tell us about this feature. How long have you been working on it? What does it do?
So the feature is a feature that lets you record your project as a video file. Yeah. I started working on it this summer. I worked on it all summer, so that was 3 months, and then since then working on a few little tweaks.
Yeah. So it's many months in the works, and I'm so happy to now be with Rachel to show us how it works. So I'm going to try to do something. Let's go over to the computer, and then you'll show us a bit about how it works. Okay. Let's see. I have the computer. Go ahead and show us.
All right. So it's up in the File menu. Record project video.
Okay.
There's a few different options. You can include sound from the microphone if you want to talk about your project while you're recording. You can show the mouse pointer in the video. And there's a couple other options like recording the entire editor if you're interested in, making a tutorial or something.
Nice. Well, and this one will allow. Cool. And then we can see it's counting down. Now it's going to start recording. And you can see you have how many seconds can you record for?
Up to 60 seconds.
Cool. So we can then make 60-second videos. Now, what format does the video come in, and should they know about anything about that?
Yeah, so it comes in an FLV video format.
Okay.
So you may not have a program on your computer that can play that, but there's several that you can download, like VLC Media Player. And you can upload those to Facebook, YouTube, and a few other sites.
Sweet. Awesome. Thank you, Rachel.
No problem.
Hi everyone, welcome back. So we found out someone actually photobombed us while
Who is this man?
Yes.
With a beautiful
It's
beard.
a mystery. No, Mew Taylor.
This is
everyone.
Mew Taylor, one of the developers on Scratch.
Well, that ends our episode, and until next time,
I know. Until episode 14.
yes,
Dun dun dun.
scratch on!
Scratch on.
Scratch on.
Bye.